If you are here because you are struggling with erectile dysfunction, or you are starting to notice things just are not working the way they used to, first of all, you are not alone. And guess what? It's important to know this. It's not just in your head. Erectile dysfunction is a real signal from your body that something deeper needs attention. But here's the thing. You do not need to depend on little blue pills like Viagra or Cialis, or anything artificial for that matter. In today's video, I'm going to show you powerful ways to reverse ED naturally, fast, using food, supplements, and lifestyle tweaks that actually work. These are not gimmicks. They are backed by science, and they address the root causes, not just the symptoms. Welcome back to the channel. And if it's your first time here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Boost nitric oxide naturally. Now, erections are all about blood flow. No blood flow equals no performance. One of the quickest ways to boost blood flow is by increasing your body's natural nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is a powerful molecule that helps relax and widen your blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow where it needs to go. So how do you boost it? Well, simple. Foods like beets, watermelon, and pomegranate are loaded with compounds that help your body produce more nitric oxide. But you can also improve nitric oxide by supplementing with L-arginine and L-citrulline. These are amino acids that directly convert into nitric oxide in your body. In fact, many men report better morning erections in just a few days of taking them. Number 2. Fix your sleep. This may not seem like an obvious fix, but poor sleep wrecks your testosterone, which is a huge driver of erectile dysfunction. You see, testosterone is built while you sleep, specifically in deep REM sleep. If you are only getting 5 or 6 hours a night, or worse, broken, low-quality sleep, your body is not producing enough testosterone. On top of that, poor sleep also raises cortisol, the stress hormone that kills testosterone and libido. Take sleep apnea, for example. It is directly linked to erectile dysfunction. Now, here's what you can do to fix it. Set a consistent bedtime. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed, because blue light crushes melatonin. Make your room cold, dark, and quiet. And if you want a bonus, add some magnesium glycinate at night. It will help calm your nervous system and deepen your sleep. When you fix your sleep, you are basically upgrading your hormonal engine overnight, and the difference can be huge. Number 3. Lose the belly fat. I know this is not something most people want to hear, but it's a big one. If you are carrying extra weight, especially around the belly, it can seriously affect your hormones. Belly fat produces aromatase, an enzyme that literally converts your testosterone into estrogen. That's right, it feminizes your hormones and shuts down your drive. Plus, belly fat is also linked to insulin resistance, which interferes with blood flow and nerve function. So that's a triple threat to bedroom performance: lower testosterone, higher estrogen, and poor circulation. The good news is you do not need a total body transformation to make a difference. Even losing just 5 to 10 pounds can boost your testosterone levels and reduce ED symptoms. So if you are looking for a natural fix, start with your lifestyle. Clean up your diet, cut back on refined carbs and sugar, move your body regularly, and focus on protein and healthy fats. You can even try intermittent fasting to help reset your insulin and burn fat more efficiently. Do this consistently, and trust me, you will start to notice real changes from the inside out. Number 4. Do Kegel exercise. Most guys think Kegels are just for women, but let me tell you, Kegel exercises are one of the most underrated tools for male performance. They strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, which are crucial for blood flow, erection strength, and even orgasm control. In short, stronger pelvic floor muscles mean better control, harder erections, and more stamina. To do a Kegel, just contract the muscles you'd use to stop peeing midstream. Hold for a few seconds, then release. Do this in sets of 10 to 15 reps, 3 times a day. It takes less than 5 minutes, and it trains the exact muscles involved in bedroom performance. And here's the best part. Studies show that just a few weeks of consistent Kegels can make a serious difference in firmness and stamina. Combine these with deep belly breathing for even better results. Number 5. Ditch alcohol and stop smoking. You may already know this one, but it needs to be said. Alcohol and smoking are 2 of the biggest killers of bedroom performance. Period. And here's why. Alcohol stresses your liver, which plays a major role in hormone metabolism. Plus, it increases estrogen and decreases testosterone, not the combo you want. And smoking, whether it's cigarettes or vapes, They destroy the lining of your blood vessels, reduce nitric oxide, and shrink arteries, all of which are bad for keeping an erection. Here's the thing, just 30 days without alcohol and smoking can bring back morning erections for many guys. That's how fast your body wants to heal. So take a break and let your body reset. You may be shocked at how fast your morning erections come back, energy improves, and confidence skyrockets. Number 6. Supplement with magnesium and zinc. 2 minerals you need to have on point if you are serious about reversing erectile dysfunction are magnesium and zinc. And here's why they matter. Magnesium helps reduce cortisol, calms the nervous system, and improves sleep, all things that support testosterone. Zinc, on the other hand, is directly involved in testosterone production and sperm health. When your zinc is low, your libido usually follows. But the thing is, most men today, especially those under stress, are deficient in both. You can get them through food. For zinc, think pumpkin seeds, oysters, red meat. And for magnesium, spinach, almonds, dark chocolate. But supplementing can help bring levels up faster. Aim for 30 to 50 milligrams of zinc and 300 to 400 milligrams of magnesium daily. Number 7. Lower your stress and cortisol. Chronic stress kills your libido and erectile power. When your body is stressed, it produces cortisol, and cortisol absolutely wrecks your testosterone levels. It also makes it harder to feel arousal and confidence. On top of that, high stress also causes performance anxiety, which creates a vicious cycle. So, how do you break out of it? Well, start by giving yourself 5 minutes a day to breathwork. Try box breathing. Inhale 4 seconds, hold 4 seconds, exhale 4 seconds, hold 4 seconds. It calms your nervous system and drops cortisol almost instantly. You can also try things like cold showers, journaling, or just unplugging from your phone. Remember, your nervous system needs rest to stay sharp and strong. When your cortisol drops, your testosterone rises, and better performance. It's that simple. Number 8. Get sunlight or vitamin D. Low vitamin D is directly linked to low testosterone and low energy in general. Your body produces vitamin D from sunlight, and what's interesting is that vitamin D actually works more like a hormone than a traditional vitamin. It helps regulate everything from mood, energy, to intimacy drive. And yet, most men are deficient. Why? Because we live indoors, wear sunscreen, and don't get enough sun. Ideally, you want to get 15 to 30 minutes of direct sunlight daily, especially in the morning. That natural light helps your body produce vitamin D the way it's meant to. And if that's not possible for you, supplementing with vitamin D3 can help. Most people do well with around 2,000 to 5,000 IU per day or more, depending on your levels. Just make sure to pair it with vitamin K2 for proper absorption. Number 9. Start lifting weights. If you want to naturally increase testosterone, improve blood flow, and boost your confidence all at once, start lifting weights. Strength training, especially big compound lifts like squats, deadlifts, and rows, works multiple muscle groups at once. This not only builds strength and muscle, but also signals your body to produce more testosterone and growth hormone. But here's the thing, you do not need to become a bodybuilder. You need just 3 full-body workouts per week, and that's enough to start seeing results in both your physique and your bedroom performance. You will also notice improved insulin sensitivity and feel stronger in every area of life. Number 10. Check your medications. Here's one most guys don't think about, but it could be the root cause of your erectile dysfunction. You see, certain medications like blood pressure meds, antidepressants, statins, and enlarged prostate meds like finasteride have side effects that directly cause erectile dysfunction over time. They can lower libido, interfere with nitric oxide, or blunt your hormonal response. And there you have it. Remember, knowledge is power, and you have the power to make informed choices for your health. Thank you for watching.